Guys, look at the big carton that Asos sent me. Hello guys, good morning. Yeah, it's morning. I just finished dropping the kids at school. So guys, welcome back to the vlog. In case you're new here, my name is Theresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. So let me just stand and talk to you guys because this place is like ill. I'm panting already. So guys, good morning. Yeah, I said that before. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. So guys, I have a lot of errands to be running today. Today is a Tuesday. I did not work today, so I have stuff to do. I think I might be taking you guys along. So first of all, like I said, I just dropped the keys off at school, so I'm going to pick something that I ordered from Asos. Yeah, I bought a new backpack because the one I have before, man, it's not looking good anymore. So I just had to let it go. So I just threw it away and got a new one because right now I'm using this bag for my everyday bag. So, but I prefer backpack for everyday bag. So they brought it since last week, but I did not have this. I did not have the time to go and pick it up. So I'm just going to pick it up right now. So let's go. So guys, this is where we are, and this is where we are going. Yeah, we are almost there though. Guys, look at the big carton that Asos sent me. And meanwhile, I'm going to the supermarket to pick up some grocery. I thought it's just a bag, so maybe I'm going to just open it and remove. The carton is too big now. Oh. So guys, I have to put everything in my carton because that carton was just too big. I cannot be pushing that carton and pushing my cart too. But the only problem we have now is that I have to go home first and keep those things because my cart is full. I will not have space for my shopping. So let me show you guys, this is our beautiful area. Look how beautiful. Yeah, this is Gorge de Loup. So beautiful. It's been a while I came to this side of the street though. I'm always at this side because that's where I normally take my bus. I forgot that I got other things apart from the bag. I forgot. I thought I bought only bags, so I just remember that I also bought a shoe. I even took a cloth and yeah, 2 shoes for that matter. That's what you get when you shop too much. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me go and take my bus home, keep those stuff and go, because if I don't do everything I want to do this morning, I might not do them again. I know what I'm talking about. So guys, I just finished eating that yummy croissant. Yeah, the place I went to pick up my stuff is a boulangerie. Yeah, they say croissant and other pastries there, or pastries, how do they call it? So the croissant was just entering my heart. I couldn't let it go, so I just add that and the juice. So that's my breakfast for today, but I already took coffee this morning, so because I want to take medicine, I want to take drugs. I've been having headache since on Friday. It's been off and on. I don't know why. I think it's stress. I don't know. So I just want to take my Doliprane. Yeah, this is like paracetamol. So this is what we have here. So I'm going to be taking it with some juice. So we do our unboxing before I go out. Yeah, I'm going to leave there. Maybe later when I pick the kids, I might go to Leclerc. But Leclerc is just close to the kids' school, while there is at the other side. So let me take my drugs. So let's unbox together. So look at my bag, guys. This is the bag. It's kind of big though. I didn't know it was this big. So this is the MAC. Yeah, this is the brand. It's a Paul Costello. Paul Costello. I hope I pronounced that well. Look at it. It's so cute. Wow. It's super cute. It's so cute. And it's so big. I didn't know it was even this big. I thought it was just a little bag. It's so big. And I love that it's a real leather. Yeah, it's real leather. I think I got this for, let me just say, 80 something euros. I'll put the price on the screen. 80 something euros, almost 90 euros. Wow, super cute. They have the name here. This is really cool. There's a lot of stuff inside. There's a lot of stuff inside. There you go. Hey, Abu, think. Like it. I love it. You can also hold it here in case you don't want to carry it like a backpack. So it's from Asos. I don't know if I've mentioned that before. Everything I got is from Asos. So I'm going to be showing you guys the rest of the stuff. Look at my bag. It's super cute. I love it. I love it. So I also got the sneakers. It's a filler. Meanwhile, these sneakers, this is my second time ordering it. The first time I ordered it with my dress that I said did not come. You guys remember my video that I told you that I ordered a dress for a party but I did not receive it. I also ordered this shoe, so they had to take it back because I could not receive it and they have to refund me. So this is what the sneakers is looking like. Yeah, oh, it's off color. It's so cute though. Oh, this is really cute. This is really cute. It's a chunky sneakers. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, it also came with extra lace. Wow, that's nice. Oh, is it extra? Yeah, it's extra because there's one here. So it came with extra. That's really cool. Take a look at that. It's beautiful. I also got the slippers. Yeah, I'm going to be putting the prices on the screen for you guys. It looks small though. It's 39 to 40. I don't know, I just like it. It's just a simple slipper. So this is from Topshop. Yeah, I got all of them from Asos. What else? So this is it's like a dress. It's so cute. Take a look at that. It's kind of oversized though. It's big. Oh yeah, whoa. Guys, this is what it's looking like. It's so beautiful though. It's so cute. It's a jumper. It looks like a big shirt. It looks like maybe you're wearing your boyfriend or your husband's shirt. But the thing is that it's a jumpsuit, like it's knicker underneath. Yeah, it's a short. So I hope you guys can see it well. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. I like it. It's really cool. And it has pocket. It has pockets. Can as well just chill at home with it. I love it. The last thing I got is this what do they call it? Resistance band. Yes, I want to start working out at home because this holiday your girl have added a lot of weight. Look at my face all round. So I need something to motivate me. Yeah, this is resistance band, you know, to do workout. So guys, that's it. That's all I got. This video is getting too long. It's supposed to be a vlog, so I don't know. Yeah, I love this. So I'm going to be trying the rest of the things. I'll show you guys in the videos.
And there's a good chance